going on, guys? Mitchell Oldenburg here. We're out at Moto Ventures for the Press vs. Pros 2025 Beta Trials event.
Each pro rider from the Beta company got paired up with a press person, and yeah, we're all paired up in pairs of 2, and we're going to go over and do a gate-style trial with a total of 10 tests and see who wins at the end of the day.
I have about 3 total days, maybe 4 total days on a trials bike, so I'm not crazy good, but it's going to be fun.
I got a little too confident.
How's everybody looking?
A lot better than me.
I'm gonna dab my foot for sure. Mitch is gonna get real mad at me for being a bad teammate, but we'll try our best.